Say me one thing, when you learn English, you concentrate more on grammar, right? Then so sorry to say you. Only with grammar, you are not actually going to be fluent in speaking. If you really want to be fluent in speaking, I mean spoken English, definitely you need to know some new words, some new sentences, and some new phrases that will take you a long way in the progress of your speaking. So in this video, I have brought for you 10 such exciting phrases that you could use in your speaking to really sound great. But there is a condition. This is only going to work if you learn, practice and use these phrases in your speaking. Hi there, I am here with you Rajiv Bhaskar and you are watching me on Rajiv Talks. Let's begin. The first phrase, I'll do it right away. It means I'll do it immediately, without any delay. Suppose your friend said, we have to finish this work today. You could say like this, don't worry, I'll do it right away. Let's have one more sentence. You know, nowadays online classes are very popular. So you could say, my online class is about to start. I will have to join it right away. In this way, you can make many sentences as you wish. Like, he will come here right away. They will finish the project right away, etc. Let's see the next one. I'll get around to it. It's almost the opposite of the first one. It means just relax, no urgency. I'll do it later. When you feel like any work is left to do, but there is no urgency, you can do it anytime later. You could just simply say like this, my room is a mess, but I will get around to it. Means you know your room is not okay, but you think it's not urgent now, I can clean it anytime later. One more sentence. I have more 3 days to complete the project. I will easily get around to it. Means you have more than enough time. You can easily finish it, so no need to hurry. Now let's see the next one. It could happen any day now. Means when you feel like something will happen very soon, at any time, under any circumstances, but you don't know exactly when. Just use this phrase in your speaking like this. My result will be out any day now. Means you will get your result very soon, but you don't know exactly when. Let's see one more sentence. They have already posted the letter. It could come any day now. It means the letter will come very soon, but the time is unknown. Let's see the next one. Come what may. It means no matter what happens. I don't care anything. So when you feel like somehow you will have to achieve something or get something done, no matter what is the condition, you don't care. You could use this phrase in your speaking like this. I'll definitely finish the work today, come what may. Or you could also say, come what may, I'll buy a gaming PC this month. One more example. Please don't leave your passion, come what may. It means whatever your condition is, just don't give up what you love to do. Now let's go ahead, see the next one. In the near future. It's quite easy. If you say that something will happen in the near future, you mean that it will happen quite very soon, within a short time. Now look at this sentence. They will go back home in the near future. Means they will return home very soon or within a short time. One more sentence for you. I'm pretty sure in the near future there is going to be a massive change in the technology. Now let's see the next one. Only time will tell. Or you could also say time will tell. When you feel like you are not quite sure about any decision, whether it is right or wrong, then just use this phrase in your speaking like this. I don't know whether they made the right decision. Only time will tell. You could also say only time will tell whether they made the right or wrong decision. One more sentence. No one can say where is the end of this COVID-19. Only time will tell that. Now let's see the next one. I am counting the days until. This is also a very good phrase for your speaking. See, when you are eagerly waiting for something to happen or you want something very much to happen, just use this phrase in your speaking like this. I'm desperately counting the days until everything gets normal. It means you are just waiting for the time when everything becomes alright. Let's have one more sentence. Everyone is counting the days until Diwali. Means we all are waiting for the day when Diwali will come. Now let's go ahead and see the next one. It's right around the corner. Or you could also say it's just around the corner. Actually, when you want to say something is coming very soon or going to happen very soon, and you know exactly when, you could use this phrase in your speaking like this. Till now it's the rainy season, but the autumn is just around the corner. Or you could also make sentence like this. You should not waste your time. Your exam is just around the corner. So use this phrase in speaking when you want to say something is going to happen very soon and you already know the time. Let's see the next one. It's bound to happen. If you say that something is bound to happen, you mean that you are sure it will definitely happen. You are confident. So in this condition, you just use this phrase in your speaking like this. I know it's bound to happen something wrong. That means you are sure something is going to be wrong there. Let's take one more sentence. When you are dealing with so many people, mistakes are bound to happen. Means if you work with so many people, mistakes are very common to happen. So in such condition, you could say it's bound to happen. Now let's see the last one. Sooner or later. It means something will happen today or tomorrow or later, but it will definitely happen someday in the future. Now look at this sentence. Sooner or later, the truth will come to light. Nobody can hide it. Means today or tomorrow, the truth will definitely be exposed. Nobody can stop it. One more sentence. If you practice English speaking daily, sooner or later you will definitely be fluent. Means it might take some time, but it will definitely happen in the future. So these are the 10 exciting phrases you will learn, practice and use them in your speaking to sound really great. And write at least one sentence with your favorite one in the comment section below. And one more thing, if you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment and share this video with your friends. I'll come back with more such interesting lessons. Till then, take care. Bye bye.